Hi, freshmen. So for PEA number 3, you have to do some counterclaim research on the topic of social media is good. We already looked at social media is bad. So all I'm going to do in this little video is I'm going to show you how to fill out this chart and to get your in-text citation ready to go. And once you found your article, how to put this stuff into the document so that you're going to have your in-text citation. You'll be going to be ready for when we write PEA number 3. So let's say that this article is the one that I want to use. This article is from Brookings, which is a legitimate magazine. And this is an op-ed piece. And this is what I want. I've read through it. I think this is great. So what I need to do first is I need to go ahead and put in the title. So let's drop pennies and nickels too while we're at it. I'm going to go ahead and just type it. Let's drop pennies and nickels to, and I'm going to see while we're at it. Yep, nickels to while we're at it. Okay, perfect. The title's there. Then I'm going to go and I'm going to check out the article author, and that's right here, Henry J. Aaron. So I'm going to put that here. Henry J. Aaron. And then I need to grab the URL, which is up here in the URL bar. I'm going to copy it. Then I'm going to come over here and paste it in there. I'm going to need that for later as well. And then I need to figure out the in-text citation, which is really not that hard. All you're going to do is you're going to come up to Tools, and you're going to come down here and click Citations. It pops up this awesome citations tool, which I wish I had when I was in high school. You're going to click Add Citation Source. You got this off of a website, so you're going to click Website. You're going to paste the URL right there, and you're going to click Search. You're going to look at this, and then you're going to click Continue, and then you need to, often what students do is they just click Add Citation Source. But you want to go through and make sure that if something's missing, if you have that information, you could put it in. And so look, it has author is missing. We know who that is. We went and looked at it. So we put in Henry J. Aaron. And then we're going to go down. The title, yep, that looks good. Brookings, yep, URL, all this other stuff looks great. So we're going to click Add Citation Source. And now we have that. So once we're ready to put this in, we're going to put our cursor in in-text citations. We're going to come back over here, and we're going to push this Cite button. And there it goes. It put it in. It formatted it for us. It showed us